Hi, good day. In this episode, I'm going to give you a short view of the Kabankalan City Public Plaza. Okay, in my back is the old city hall. Before it was just the municipal hall because before Kabankalan City was converted. And a few years back, in the Kabankalan City or the municipal hall was already transferred to the other side of the Kabankalan City. Later on, I'm going to give you a quick view of the Kabankalan City Hall. Okay, so here in the public plaza we have two basketball courts which are available every day, and actually the plaza is already having a few people roaming around during 10 o'clock in the evening because there is a curfew, and there's also space for the sipak takraw, and then we have one football field. We also have slides for the kids wherein they can actually play. We have different facilities for the kids. We have one kiosk, we have the hall, and we have two CRs for male and female. And besides the public plaza is the Catholic Church. And in the other side is also the cultural center of Kabankalan City. And then besides the cultural center is the elementary school and the high school. In front there is also a restaurant, melting pot, and we have here the new 7-Eleven. Okay, we have here near the public plaza, if you want to buy medicine, there is a Mercury Drug Store. And if you need money, if someone will send you money, you also have the Palawan Pawn Shop. And near the public plaza, there is also a resident hospital, the Gumersindo Hospital. Actually, Dr. Gumersindo Hospital is owned by Dr. Gumersindo before, and it is a residence house, and now it is being utilized as hospital. And there is only few more or less 50 to 60 patients being occupied in that hospital because it's just a residential house. So it's just few that can be accommodated. And we, in Kabankalan City, we have, before, 3 months ago, we have 3 hospitals, but the one hospital was closed. I don't know the reason. So we have here the public hospital, the district hospital of Kabankalan City. We have the Gumersindo Hospital, which is actually a residential hospital. So those are the 3 hospitals we have. Okay? So actually here in the public plaza, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and more or less it's actually 30 degrees Celsius, the temperature. So it's very hot here at this moment, but it's very accommodating, and still we can stay because there are some big trees, and there are benches that you can occupy, and you can use it for you. Okay, but if you are going to play now, you cannot really play because it's very hot, and you will, of course, you will be dehydrated, and you will be having a heat stroke if you are going to play at this time. So that is just a quick view of Kabankalan City Public Plaza near the Kabankalan City. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.